Hello, my name's Arthur Reed, and I want to take a minute or two to talk to you about a new series that we created called the Tax Workshop Series. The whole purpose of this series was really to get us to a point where I get out of talking with PowerPoints and publications and explaining how things are done, because the reality is that the data that we come up with eventually needs to go on a tax form. So what I wanted to do is to set up a series of these continuing education courses that were short, about 1 hour each, sometimes a little longer, sometimes not, they've never been any shorter, but a little bit 1 hour time frame. And with the whole idea is that first you get an understanding of the tax law. You know, this is what a capital transaction is. This is why it exists. And then to go through and say, and this is where it goes. And by looking at the various forms, whether they be a Schedule D or B, itemized deductions, dependents tax returns, whatever it might be, is that we'll get to see where it is, what other implications that it have. So not only do we know where it goes on the tax return, but we also understand why all those little pieces of data that we have to input on a tax return, on say a W-2 that has box 12 with the letter C or double D, what do these things mean and what difference does it make? This helps you in understanding what those things are. It also allows you from a reviewer standpoint, as also whether you're doing it in your own practice or you're doing it from other folks, is that am I seeing what I'm supposed to be seeing? Is this showing up where it's supposed to be? Because I understand that when this goes in, something else should be happening over there. And so what I invite you to do is to join us for some of these courses. They're really fast, they're to the point, and I love doing them, and it's so nice to be able to do something that has real life practical application to help you during tax season. And by doing that and going through these things, it hopefully will maybe catch a few errors or other things that I know in my own practice, you'll find different things. It's like, oh, I forgot about this. Good thing I looked for this because something just didn't seem right. I'm going to try to share with you some of the experiences that I have as well. So I look forward to seeing you in those courses, and I hope you sign up for them. Take care.